Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to your YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we are going to talk about another awesome project. The project name is BagUT, or basically it's called Dollar Bag. So it's a very fabulous project. And so without wasting any time, let's start there. Before starting the review, see small disclaimer. This is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for any profit and losses. First of all, you can see the meme coin that puts the crunch in the crypto. You can see buy dollar pack, our recipe, and you can also change the language here. And guys, here you can see you need to just scroll down and you can see there our story. The BagUT, our national treasure, our currency mission we are putting in the French touching your wallets. Our tokens are like a fresh backed, and you can see the dollar bag crypto is a fairness with a special Jesus, and that makes the all the difference. You can see their story right here. You can see the sheep story. Fun fact, the sheep was a BagUT and the race to the moon, and you can see bag games, play now, bag breaker, snake game, and bag runner. And you can see view all games. You can check out all the games, style your phone with the Bag Boys download. And guys, one more thing, all the links provided in my video description, their website, their text tool, their Radium, their community, Instagram, TikTok, X, Discord, each and everything provided in video description. You need to just click on the title and then the description will be open. You can see each and everything. Grab your wallpaper. You can see why choose dollar bag. Here you can see active community, a dynamic and growing international community, global potential, innovative marketing, token economics, easier, eager, and learn wise users. Bagger white paper. You can see their white paper. You need to download here. Join the BagUT Squad. Join our international crypto community. Here we don't just hold BagUT hodl. So you can see fresh out the our price. You can see their price. Here you can see this is the official white paper. You can see the white paper. Guys, you can see their contents right here. First of all, introduction, why second dollar bag, vision, technical feature, roadmap, the team, and the constellation. You can see their introduction. First of all, I'm just telling the project background, then I tell their games, their telegram, and each and everything I tell in next. You can see the cryptocurrency market is opaque with the tokens inspired by cultural and community themes. Among them, meme coins that has told about success. The project often born from the playful original ideas have managed to grab attention. Unit communities build a lasting identifier and crypto ecosystem. It's mean this project not make accidentally, but this project make a good history in the crypto market. You can see their French propriety and you can see each and right here. Become a bag boy, join the growing community that identity every day with a joy and enthusiasm. Friends is ready to dollar back to the map on global crypto powerhouse. Stop waiting, join the movement today and savor the taste of the future. Why dollar bag? First of all, a cultural identity. Dollar bag draws inspired from the French, as I already told. Stable for daily life, and you can see by yourself, accessible to everyone, growing your utility, and you can see their vision and mission. Technical feature, their network is Solana, their max supply is, you can see this is almost $1 billion back tokens, fixed and immediate token address. You can see every back token is a ecosystem ready to fuel digital revolution. You can see roadmap. Basically this is the main thing in every project, because in the roadmap you can see their upcoming updates, upcoming works, their post work. First of all, their in phase 1 they entire Canadian launch on pump fund development on the Radium, mobiles and Backboys community, validity, social media, collaboration with crypto influencer, listing on 2+2 tier 3 exchange, goals $1,000 bag holder. Let's do rise. Phase 2 community rising, collaboration with international crypto influencer, launch BagUT Academy, payment integration, e-commerce, sponsorship of Backboys event in a metaverse IRL, listing on 3 tier exchange. And the third phase is banking time. And you can see listing phase 3 is listing on the major exchange tier 1 CX. Backboys merchandise partnership with global crypto players, organizer of a grand festival IRL in the metaverse, creation the BagUT development debit card, partnership with a mainstream payment system, goals 1 lakh BAG holders. The Bhagiyoti is ready to back phase 4 road to the launch of Bhagiyoti Finance Investment Fund, agreements with the real life business backgrounds. You can see each and everything by yourself. I think video is going to be longer, but you can see their founder, CEO founder, Charles, creative director, operation director, technical director, and each and everything right here. Their cancellation you can see by yourself. And guys, let's come on the dextool.io. You can see their price $0.306143 provided on the DEX tool. You can see their price prediction. You can also use the best indicator for the price prediction, and you can see their all-time high is also provided, their all-time high, their all-time low, max. You can see their max price, their minimum price, and you can see each and everything, their latest buy sale. A lot of people buying and also a lot of people selling. But if you want to investment, do your own research first, then make an investment. But I think it's a good project, but do your own research first, then make an investment. So you can see their links and each and everything right here, their price prediction. And let's on the Raydium, simply click on I understand and confirm, then click on agree. You can see simply you need to click on connect wallet, enter your amount in Sol, how much you want to buy dollar back. If you want to buy with one Solana, you will be get like something token 3,09,700 tokens. You can see the value is $199, and simply click on connect wallet, then you need to buy the token and you can easily buy it. So it's a very easy method. So guys, this is the official Bhagiyoti community. They have a 925 members. Bhagiyoti, the French meme coin, will be listed soon. So you can see this is official Bhagiyoti community Discord. You can see there they have 91 members on the Discord, and you can see their TikTok is also provided. You can follow it on TikTok. There also Instagram provided. You need to just go and follow here. So let's go on the Telegram bot. So guys, I hope you understand each and everything, but the main part. So guys, the main part of this video is Bhagiyoti, army of Bhagiyoti dollar bag. It's their official Twitter account. You can see the official French meme website, and you can see, don't forget, today 6 p.m. Bhagiyoti first music video. This is awesome. I also make again video on this project. You can see, join us tomorrow 6 p.m. the first Bag Boy music video release. Winter season Bag Boy. You can see each and everything by yourself. You can see there the race to the moon, while Elon Musk was still fumbling with his overpriced lunchbox and crying for burnt Tesla shares. Our Bhagiyoti was already moonwalking in the style using a rocket engine fuels. I think it's a fat post. You can see their latest update and each and everything right here. You can see their videos, update, post, each and everything right here. So guys, I hope you understand each and everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. But guys, still I am telling one thing: do your own research first, then make an investment. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.